Today, we'll dive into the best ultrasonic cleaners for jewelry, helping you find the perfect tool to keep your treasures sparkling. Each cleaner has unique features, benefits, and price points, making it essential to choose the one that best suits your needs. And for your convenience, all products mentioned in this video are linked down in the description. And with that in mind, let's get started. Number 1 on my list is the Ultrasonic Cleaner, priced at $29. This compact device features a large capacity of 640 milliliters, making it perfect for cleaning a variety of items, including eyeglasses, jewelry, and dentures. It operates at a frequency of 48 kilohertz and a power of 40 watts, ensuring efficient removal of small stains. You can choose between 2 time modes, 5 and 10 minutes, for customized cleaning. Users appreciate its simplicity and effectiveness, particularly praising its performance on rings and glasses. One user mentioned that their items came out sparkling clean, though another noted it required some manual scrubbing for deeply embedded grime. The cleaner is easy to use with a waterproof surface, ensuring durability. However, a few users were disappointed to receive some products that seemed kind of used, which affected their experience. Despite this, many found it to be a reliable and efficient cleaning solution for everyday use. Second, we have the Magnasonic Professional Jewelry Cleaner, available for $39. This model has a stainless steel tank with a capacity of 600 milliliters and uses ultrasonic technology at 42,000 Hz. It is designed to penetrate crevices and cavities to remove contaminants without damaging your valuables. The digital display offers 5 preset cleaning cycles ranging from 90 to 480 seconds and includes an auto shutoff feature. Reviews highlight its strong performance on various items such as wedding rings, necklaces, and eyeglasses. Users appreciate its easy operation and the ability to clean multiple items at once. However, some noted it struggles with older, tarnished jewelry and can be slightly noisy during operation. Another concern is its longevity, with a few users reporting a decrease in performance over time. It remains a popular choice for its thorough and gentle cleaning capabilities. Next on the list is the InvisiClean Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner, priced at $69. This high-end cleaner is known for its unmatched cleaning power and convenience. It features a 30-minute battery life and a self-timer, making it highly user-friendly. The stainless steel tank is durable and easy to clean, and the ultrasonic waves efficiently remove dirt and grime from jewelry, eyeglasses, small tools, and electronics. Users commend its build quality and quiet operation, noting the automatic shutoff feature adds to its safety. One user found it particularly useful for cleaning retainers, although it did not remove all built-up plaque. While it offers professional-grade results at home, a few users felt their previous cleaners were more powerful. Despite this, its ease of use and effectiveness makes it an excellent choice for thorough cleaning. Additionally, the compact design ensures it fits comfortably on countertops or in storage when not in use. Another budget-friendly option is the Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner machine, available for $27. This portable cleaner has a capacity of 350 milliliters and operates at a frequency of 46 kilohertz. It is designed for full-circle cleaning, using only tap water to clean jewelry, glasses, dentures, and more. The one-touch operation and overheat protection make it user-friendly and safe. Users appreciate its compact size and effectiveness, with many noting that their old jewelry looked brand new after cleaning. Some use simple solutions like boiling water and dish soap to enhance the cleaning results. However, a few users mentioned the product's longevity, noting issues with the machine turning on after several months of use. Despite these drawbacks, it is praised for its performance and ease of use, making it a great addition to any household. This cleaner's low noise level also makes it a more pleasant option for frequent use. Lastly, we have the Jewellery Cleaner Ultrasonic Machine by BCOM, priced at $31. This cleaner uses high-frequency sound waves at 46 kilohertz to provide deep cleaning. It is compact and portable, allowing for professional-grade cleaning at home or on the go. The stainless steel sink is durable and corrosion resistant, and the device operates quietly at less than 40 decibels. Users found it particularly useful for cleaning jewelry, dental tools, and even baby items like pacifiers. One user was impressed by how their family's gold jewelry looked after using the cleaner. Another appreciated its ease of use, especially for elderly family members. However, some users experienced issues with durability, with the machine failing after a few uses. Despite this, its versatility and effectiveness make it a valuable tool for keeping various items clean and shiny. The product also comes with a comprehensive after-sales commitment, ensuring customer satisfaction and support. So, choosing the right ultrasonic cleaner for your jewelry depends on your specific needs, budget, and the type of items you need to clean. Each of these products offers unique features and benefits, ensuring you can find the perfect solution to keep your valuables sparkling clean. And don't forget that all products mentioned in this video are linked down in the description. Hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.